Asan na yun? Saan yung speaker niyo? Nakakaintindi. Parang ano.
Now this breed of dog listens to three types of commands: voice, whistle, and hand action behind. Steady, yep.
Pino-corner niya.
Steady.
Hmm.
Come on, come on, steady. Get it behind right. Get it behind right.
Pino-corner niya.
That'll do. That'll do. Now go left.
Alam niya kung
Go
saan siya
wide.
kukuha.
Go wide.
Alam niya kung saan niya kukornerin.
Behind right. Go right. Behind right.
Gagawin niya.
Whoa. Always takes the one. Behind right.
Hindi naman niya kinakagat eh. Pino-corner lang. Sheepdog working here at 10:20. 11:50 to 20. Ang bantay. Yan siya.
Go left. Go left. Steady. Now go left. Go wide. There we are. Through the gate. Bring them back up towards the bridge now. Go right. Behind.
Tignan mo. Tagabog yan.
Behind.
Kalit-lit naman niya.
Go left. Go left.
Lang.
Sit. Steady. Left.
Oh.
Steady.
Pakitin niya.
There we are.
Ginagad niya.
Good fight opportunity against the fence side. Steady dot.
Kukornerin niya. Ayan na siya.
Steady. Go right. Steady. Steady. Get him behind left. Go left. Behind. Here. Behind dot. Behind.
Hindi
Go
niya.
wide. Go wide. Steady. Get him behind left. Get him behind. Go left.
Hindi niya maintindihan.
Stay.
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 Stay. Stay. There we have it, folks. One successful dog trial course. Now you're more than welcome to follow us over to the Woolen Mill. They have a carding machine there that's over 105 years old. It just shows you the other side of New Zealand's wool industry. Plus, it's a free demo.